For our final project, we decided to make an interactive drawing board. It's an application written in Java that uses TCP to connect users to a community drawing board. We considered using UDP, but decided that reliability was more important than speed.
We have a server hosted on Atu that initializes clients and sends out all drawing updates.
On startup, a client will get a copy of the current state of the board from the server.
Whenever a user draws, it will update its own board and also tell the server to update everyone else.
When the server receives a draw request, it will update its internal representation so new connections will get the current state of the board. It also updates all clients who are currently connected.
Clients will then receive this update and execute the draw request on their own board.
This is our drawing application. It looks like someone's drawing a Christmas tree. Let's say hello. Hi. Let's check out what else we can do. I'm going to draw a snowflake. Let's use the eraser tool and up the thickness a little bit. There, that looks good. I think this tree needs a few ornaments. As you can see, I'm using the circle tool. Now let's change some colors and use the fill tool to fill these circles. Awesome! There we go! We used Wireshark to analyze the round-trip time, throughput, and number of packets sent in different situations. Our first situation was the control group. We started with one user drawing very slowly for 10 seconds and then increasing to a rapid pace for the second 10 seconds. As you can see by this graph, the number of packets sent increases dramatically when the user draws at a faster pace. This is also shown by analyzing the throughput. The interesting thing is that the round-trip time is held constant throughout the experiment. This means that even when drawing rapidly, the user will not see any lag from the server.
For our second experiment, we simulated having many users connected to the board at once. As you can see, after 10 seconds, when the other user started sending, the number of packets sent over time decreases. Our throughput also went down because we were processing all of the updates from the server. This also affected the round-trip time. Although it remained mostly constant throughout the 20 seconds, the variance increased when other users were sending packets. Perhaps the greatest obstacle we faced was implementing the line, circle, and square tools. The issue we faced was that we needed to remember which pixels were drawn underneath the line while it was being drawn. This is particularly hard when dealing with multiple users drawing lines at the same time. In that case, we needed to keep track of each individual user's temporary pixels in order to correctly restore them. As you can see, as I move the line, the pixels underneath are restored to their original state. This also applies when using the box and circle tools.